Alright guys, today I'm reviewing the Crosman Airmag C11 Airsoft CO2 pistol. Alright, this gun comes with the gun itself, Airmag C11, and a magazine of 12 rounds. You can buy an extra magazine, which is handy for a CO2 gun since they don't have many rounds in the magazines. And you're going to have to buy CO2 for this gun since it's CO2 powered. Semi-automatic, and it shoots at 400 feet per second with an effective range of about 100 feet. This gun's based off of the M9 that the American Armed Forces uses. CO2 goes right in here. You just spin this dial right here and to release the CO2 when it's out. It lasts a pretty long time. I'd say 30 mags you can burn through. So it's pretty good on CO2. You can get an all black or clear. And the gun isn't full auto, obviously. It's just semi-automatic. Here are the sights. Pretty good, and the magazine release button's right here, and the fire and safety switch right there. I use .20 gram BBs with this gun since it has pretty good accuracy. When you pull the trigger, you see a little black barrel extension come out. That's to give it better accuracy. And the magazine's just go in the slot right here. And don't drop this gun at all, because this gun broke and the magazine would just fall off. So, yep, it's not the most durable gun, but it's pretty heavyweight. And now we're gonna go to a shooting test for the Crosman Airmag C11. Alright, here's the shooting test for the Crosman Airmag C11. I'm gonna be 20 feet away, so close quarters since it's a sidearm. And here we go. So, decent accuracy, not my best. It's not the most accurate. It's a little more accurate from longer range. And, but you'll probably hit the target you're aiming at from 20 feet easily. So that's the shooting test for the Crosman Airmag C11. Now we're going to go to a damage test. Alright, we're going to see the damage that the C11 does on this Diet Coke can from 20 feet. Alright, so it burst it pretty easily. And pretty good damage. I was expecting a little bit more, but it hit the side, so that's why it probably wasn't that big of a burst. But it definitely made it through the Diet Coke can. So overall, I give this gun a 7.5 out of 10. Decent accuracy, pretty good weight, decent damage, and the CO2 lasts long. So please rate, comment, subscribe, and recommend any new guns to review.